Hey guys, it's Ashley from Raddish Reviews, and today we're unboxing Stitch Fix. I think I've been telling you guys forever that I was going to get this again. So we're just going to do a top-down opening of the actual clothing, and then I'll try everything on and show it to you. So everything from Stitch Fix, I think you pay a $10 styling fee each month, and then you pay for whatever you keep, and I think the styling fee can be applied to whatever you keep. You do get a discount if you keep, my husband's on the phone, if you keep everything or more than a certain number of pieces. I don't know, it's been a while since I've done it. I told them I like dresses. I need to get this back in the mail. I forgot I had it. Everything, you put everything back in here that you're not keeping. Your fix, everything is listed on this item, this little list here. We're gonna look at that at the end. Instantly buy styles that go with what's in your fix. Oh, cool, so you can like go and shop, you know, other items. Ooh, I see some flannel. My problem with Stitch Fix in the past has been that everything is just really expensive, and that's okay in some instances, but in others, no, especially if you have enough clothing. So here we have this purple. Ooh, that's pretty. I actually really like that. It's like a plum color. Oh, I like that. Oh, I think that's pretty. Oh, and it's very lightweight. It looks like it would be heavier, but it's light. I think it's really cool. Oh, I like that. And then we have another. I think did I say I like that? How did they know I like this kind of stuff? Smarties. They must have watched my videos. Just kidding. All right, so I'll be real honest right now. This like neckline, not my favorite. I'm sorry. I'm moving, so like I'm not a big fan of that. I do like the color combo. I'll be honest, I like this one better though. All right, so then we have, ooh, is this a dress? So pretty. Oh, so pretty. Okay, so this is a wrap dress. I love the floral. If you could see what I'm wearing right now, you would be like, this is what I'm wearing right now. Kind of matches the dress, I'm not gonna lie. So this is beautiful. I love it. Oh, yes. But you know, it's all price dependent because that's how I roll. Oh, I love this too. Oh, another wrap dress. This is different fabric though. It's like a softer, more cottony, like, oh, very pretty and longer, very long. I'm not a big fan of the long dress. I like the like knee length, I think is my style. Okay, so my final item is another dress. Oh yes, they just sent me a bunch of dresses. I'm good with that. All right, so this one is also a wrap dress. Oh, I don't know if this is a little too short, and I'm not a big fan of the print either. It reminds me of like lacquered furniture. But all right, we'll try everything on and I'll be right back. I'm actually pleasantly surprised in this dress. It's very cute. I'm not gonna lie, I like it a lot. I didn't think I would. Looks pretty on though, and I like the length is perfect. Like, I thought it would be too short, and it's not. It's so pretty. Okay, don't mind my dirty mirror. I don't like this. I love the print and I love the way it feels. I don't like this, like, it looks weird. Doesn't it look weird? I don't know. I'm not into it. I don't know. I don't know. Maybe I do like it. I don't know. I don't think I like it though. I don't think I like it. Okay, so on a different note, this dress is beautiful. Like, I just love these colors. Like, oh my gosh, isn't it beautiful? It's pretty on. I mean, I'm not 100% sold on the top, but like, it's just very comfortable and like I think I've said to you guys, I work really hard on my body, and so like, I hate when something is just not flattering, and I think this is very flattering. So here's this. Not bad. I'm not gonna keep it though. Like, I just don't. I had to put pajama pants on with it, but like, it's only okay in my opinion. Like, it's not the perfect. You know what I mean? Like, you know what I'm saying? This is not. I'm not. I don't love it. I like it. I don't love it. I am gonna be honest. As much as I love this shirt, like the image of it, like I don't like it on. It's not me. doesn't, it feels like way too big and like, oops, sorry, way too like big and baggy and bulky and just, I don't know. The colors don't, I don't feel like they're as flattering as they could be, even though I think the colors are pretty. Just not loving it. So, all right, I'm gonna come back with the prices in just a sec. Okay, so I'm looking at the total. All right, so if I kept everything, I'd get a 25% discount. And the total would be $280 down to $190. I'm not gonna keep everything because I didn't love everything. I think I'm gonna keep the floral. All right, so the Ivy Livy button down top in black. I think that was the red striped and black striped flannel. That's $46. I'm not keeping that. I didn't like it on me, at least. The Kaylee faux wrap knit dress that says black, so I'm guessing that's the first one I wore. So pretty. It's $58. It's kind of expensive, but very pretty. I don't know. I think I like the yellow one better. All right. All right, and then the Cosmic Blue Love Relax button top. That's $68. I'm glad I'm not keeping that because that's expensive for a shirt. The Abigail Brush Knit midi dress in green, that was the one I wasn't as fond of. That was $58. And then finally that beautiful blue navy dress is $50. I think I'll put it down in the description box what I end up doing for sure. I think I'm just gonna keep that blue one, just that one, because I don't know. What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments. But I will put down in the description what I keep. I have to think about it though.